We are really excited about our upcoming Christmas event, Symbols of Christmas, a walking tour on December 11th. If you decorate with lights, if you hang a wreath on your door, if you place a star on top of your tree or eat candy canes until you're sick, or give gifts at Christmas, you may be surprised to learn that all these traditions and more are connected to Jesus. We're excited to help people see Christmas in a whole new way. Thanks to everyone who's already signed up and volunteered to help us this year. Well, you might be asking, what is a walking tour? Well, this year you'll pull into our parking lot, get your hot chocolate, and you'll begin your tour and walk through our Christmas symbols. You will learn a little bit more about each tradition and how it actually is connected to Jesus. You might be asking, what do I need? Well, the first thing you need is a ticket. You can find tickets in several locations. First, you can find them on Facebook. If you search Facebook in the events, Symbols of Christmas, a walking tour, you can get your tickets there. Or you can find a ticket on our church website on our front page. Or if neither of those are available to you, you can also call the church. We are excited to share the truth of Jesus to our communities and our friends. Our hope is that all who come and are a part of Symbols of Christmas will see Jesus more clearly and will understand the life-changing gift His birth gives us. So we hope you invite your friends, invite your family and your neighbors, and join us on December 11th for Symbols of Christmas, a walking tour.